Introducing Steck, the elegant, minimalist PC case that you'd be proud to have on your desktop. Designed by a bunch of enthusiasts at Nouvolo, who set out to make their own perfect PC case, we've brought minimalism to PC hardware. We believe we've created a case that looks great without compromising on either performance or flexibility, and that delivers a small form factor at a reasonable price. Steck is suitable for a wide range of users, from creative professionals and gamers to live streamers, engineers, media centers, and folk who just want their desktop to look cool. The case has an aluminum frame and steel internal structure for strength. Assembly for non-experts couldn't be easier. And the three main panels click magnetically into place. The finish on Steck is black powder-coated aluminum. And for overclocking enthusiasts or people who love quiet operation, performance is covered with an optional stack unit for all-in-one cooling solutions. Flexibility was also critical to our designer's brief, so Steck fits standard components, allowing you to mix and match as your specific requirements dictate. And since all good things come in small packages, we prioritized compactness, so Steck ships disassembled to minimize packaging and shipping costs. Steck is available in black, white, and pink colors. Steck, the minimalist PC case designed by enthusiasts.